Hello everyone, my name is Samir and welcome back to my YouTube channel Digital Doorway. In this video I'm going to be talking to you about an SEO tool which is used by SEO agencies and digital marketing agencies across the world and by SEO specialists. It's a free tool. I won't really call it a tool, I think it's more of a software because you can download it and save it on your computer and use it whenever you want. The name of the tool, as you can see on the screen, is Sreaming. It's a UK based company. You just need to type in sreamingfrog.co.uk. They offer the agency services as well. So as you can see, they offer SEM, SEO, PPC, social media, content marketing, link building, etc. So if you scroll down, you will see the download button over here. So you can download this and save it on your desktop and use it for any number of URLs that you want. They have a paid plan and a free plan as well. So I think the free plan offers a lot of features by itself. So I think that would work unless you're working for an agency and you really need that high-end support, right? So pricing, here it is. So it'll show you the difference between the paid and the free version. So if you see over here in the free version, it auto verifies search engine bots, it finds broken links, errors and redirects, crawled URLs, bot frequency, etc. So in the paid version, it has unlimited project limits and unlimited log event limit. The technical support is absent in the free version as opposed to the paid version. So it costs £99 a year, which is not really very expensive, And if you come down, if you're looking for multiple licenses, then here are the different price limits. I'll take you straight away to the tool. This is how it looks if you download it and then open it up, right? You have the H1 tags over here, H2 tags, images, canonicals, pagination, page speed, structured data, right? The response time. And if you come to the right side, you have the overview, site structure, response times, and API. Let's take a look at all of these. I'm going to come in this search bar and type in a website, dbr.sa, and if I start, it starts scrolling and it'll start showing up the results. There you go, it's started appearing. It'll take a minute or two to crawl depending on the number of pages of the website. If the website is too big, like e-commerce websites like Amazon, etc., it won't be able to crawl over a certain number in the free plan. So depending on the number of pages that you have, it really shows up. So it's still going on. As you can see, 34% is done. So it has encountered till now 58 URLs, right? It shows the SEO elements also over here, and if I scroll down further, all the pages in my website are showing up along with the tags. See, all the URLs are showing up over here. So we'll just wait for a minute for it to crawl because I'm doing it live. In the meantime, I can also show you the H2 tags over here. It shows the number of H2 tags that you have on every page. If you see the pages and the H2 tags that you have, right, the length of the H2 tag, also how many characters there are, 21 characters, 15 characters over here. That way you would know, how many characters there are in your in each page. If you come over here to the images, I think it's almost done. Let's wait for a second. Okay, it's over. Okay, so here it shows blog, etc. So I'll just walk you through. So if you can see some of the pages on this website, this is a bilingual website. Okay, they don't have an H1 tag. So that way you would know that which pages have H1 tag and which one don't. So you don't have to go to your website and open it and then see manually. This way you can also export using this button over here. You can export it in the CSV format, and straight away open your CMS, whatever you are using, like for example WordPress. Open this page and put in the convert whatever you want the text into H1 or H2. If you come to H2, you'll see over here book now, and all of these are H2 tags, right? So that way most of these so there are some which are missing as well, so you can go straight away over there. Images, canonization, pagination, these are indexable. hreflang, hreflang is mostly used for bilingual or multilingual websites, right? Structured data, sitemap, page speed. We'll take a look at the page speed over here, for example. So 96 URLs which I've encountered, and if you come over here to the response time, you will see that 58 URLs are the response time is between 0 to 1 seconds, which contributes 32.77% of the total number of pages. The number of pages, 24 URLs are opening within 1 to 2 seconds. So that way you would know that which are the smaller, and it also shows the corresponding URLs over here. So that way you would know which URLs are opening up quickly and which are not, right? So this is amazing because you don't need to rely really on a SEO specialist or give it to an SEO agency. You can just sit in your office, put the URL, and you would know. And you can do this for any website. Just put in the URL, the domain over here, and it will start crawling. Let me take another example. It also shows the crawl history over here. Let's take the example of, let's say, Sunrise Village Resort. Okay, let's open this up and see what happens. So it started crawling. So like I said, you can put any URL of your choice, and it would instantly start crawling that website and showing the results, as easy as that. So you don't have to rely on anyone for this. And then you can go back and do the fixes that you want, or if it's technical, you can ask your web developer to fix those errors, right? So for example, the HTML, it shows over here how many pages have HTML, how many have JavaScript. This is in the SEO elements. How many has CSS, how many pages has images. Look, this is changing because the crawl is still going on, so you can understand that it might increase, which it is. Okay, it's done. So 89 pages or 89 URLs have images in it. CSS is these pages, HTML are these. So you would know that very easily, right? And if we scroll down, you will see the external, the protocol. These are all very technical, so some of this might not be understood very clearly by normal digital marketers, but like I said previously, you can always show this report to your to your web developers, and they would know where the lapses are. Like all the URLs, this website has 134 URLs, right? And let's check the H1 tag of this. So as you can see, the home page is having about Sunray as their H1 tag, and the character limit is 12. So in the second URL facility, they have used two H1 tags, right, which is our facilities. As you can see, occurrences is 2 over here, and which is 14 characters, and private pools, which is 19 characters, and this is indexed, right? So that way you can see all of the pages which are having H1 and H2 tags, and which pages have the images. If you can see over here, it also shows the images which are over 100 KB, right? So that way you can you can compress the image and re-upload it. It also shows how many images have missing alt text, which is very important, right, for Google spiders to understand what the page or the image is about, and alt text over 100 characters. So they have 80 images which is missing alt text, so it's important that they enter the alt text, right? Canonical tags, pagination, right? hreflang, AMP, accelerated mobile pages, they have 16 of those. Structured data, sitemaps, you can also enter sitemap using this tool. If you come to reports, you can click over here, crawl report, and then you can save it, right, and use the CSV file. And some of the and another feature is the mode. Now this is working on the spider mode by default. So, and if I click on the list mode, what will happen is that it'll ask, changing the mode. So what it'll do is it'll ask us to upload a CSV file which has URLs, and when we upload that, it will try to get the information and display it over here, right? So that's about the mode. The SERP is also almost the same, but we'll stick to spider for now in this video, right? And if you come to configuration as well, you will find all of these tabs, right? So here it is, the sitemap which I was telling earlier. You can also upload the XML sitemap, right? So this is an amazing tool. You can buy the license from here. So this is a very important tool and a very amazing tool. It saves you a lot of money, and you don't have to rely on anyone to, you know, really see what's happening. It saves you tons of time. You can directly open the pages which don't have H1, H2 or images or higher resolution images, etc., and you can fix those. And all of these, or most of these at least, are Google ranking factors. So that way you eliminate those errors and try to rank your site higher up in Google pages. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming up with more videos soon. Thank you all. Bye.